case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1992, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the pivotal case of Franklin v. Massachusetts, challenging the conventional ways of determining each state's representation in Congress. The case was sparked when Massachusetts, along with two of its registered voters, sued the President, the Secretary of Commerce, Census Bureau officials, and the Clerk of the House of Representatives. The bone of contention was the counting of federal employees stationed overseas for congressional apportionment, a method that led to Massachusetts losing a House seat. This dispute had wound its way to the district court, which ruled that counting overseas military personnel by their homes of record was arbitrary and capricious, as per the Administrative Procedure Act. This verdict instructed the Secretary to exclude these overseas employees from the apportionment count and commanded the President to recalculate the state's representation. However, the tale took a twist at the Supreme Court, which ultimately reversed the district court's decision. According to the Supreme Court, the President's actions were not reviewable under the APA, rendering the lower court's decision moot. The Supreme Court defended its decision, stating that there was no concrete evidence to indicate that excluding overseas employees from state counts would enhance Congress's representation. Thus, the Secretary of Commerce's power to count federal employees stationed overseas for Congress's representation remained intact, in line with the goal of achieving equal representation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.